Do you ever notice how we insure everything? Our phones, our flights, even the $300 toaster we bought at 2 a.m. after watching too many reviews on YouTube. But the one thing we forget to insure: our ability to make a living. That's what disability insurance is. It's not flashy. It doesn't come with cashback. And no one brags about owning it at a dinner party. But if you can't work because of an illness or injury, it's the thing that pays your bills when your body or brain won't let you. In Canada, here's how it works. You get sick or injured. You can't do your job. After a short waiting period, typically 30 to 120 days, disability insurance kicks in and replaces part of your income. How much? Usually 60 to 85% of your regular earnings, tax-free if you pay for it personally. Enough to keep life moving. Rent paid. Groceries bought. Netflix still running because honestly, you're gonna need it. Now, let's talk to the advisor for a second. You already know the stats. So if you're listening to this and thinking, maybe later, ask yourself, would you drive a car with no insurance? Would you live in a house with no coverage? Then why live life without protecting your ability to earn? Disability insurance. It's not exciting, but neither is watching everything you built fall apart. This is how you keep it all running. 1 in 3 Canadians will experience a disability lasting 90 days or more before they turn 65. That's not a niche. That's your client list. So here's the job. Stop skipping this in the quote. Don't wait until they ask. Most won't. Your job isn't just to sell products, it's to protect cash flow. And this is the only product that protects income, not assets. You can't budget your way out of zero income, but you can insure it. Back to the consumer, maybe you've got benefits through work. That's great. But is it enough? Is it long-term or just short-term? Does it cover bonus income, commissions, side hustles? Because when the paycheck stops, those details matter. Here's the weirdest part. Most people think I'll just dip into savings. Okay. But how long can you float your whole life on savings? A month? 3? A year if you're lucky. Disability insurance isn't for people who expect the worst. It's for people who can't afford the worst.